Wait a second, this pair is like crooked.
But I'm weak, and what's wrong with that? Boy, oh boy, I love it when I fall for that. I'm weak, and what's wrong with that? Boy, oh boy, I love it when I fall for that. I'm weak.
Hey guys, and welcome to a new vlog. So today I'm going to the beach, which I'm really excited because California beaches are warm and nice, where we've only ever been to Oregon beaches, which are like cold and like, you know, so I'm super excited. And right now we're walking to breakfast at the hotel. So that's pretty much it for now. So I'll give you guys an update. Hey guys, so today we're eating breakfast outside, and I have some orange juice, some eggs, and then I have some fruit, and I mixed it with some Greek yogurt, so it's like a fruit salad thing. And then I have some ham, and I have waffles too. So, yeah. Hi. Go Jax! Do something! That was an awesome cartwheel. That was a cartwheel, right? Whoa, another one?
Whoa!
A somersault? Jeez. Can you do a bridge? Whoa. Wow. Is it Claire's turn now?
Yeah, go Claire.
Claire's turn.
I want to go next.
Okay, go Bree.
Wanna do something?
I don't know how to do his cartwheels.
That's okay. Do that then. I think you can do a bridge too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
Nice. Very nice bridge.
Can you try to kick over?
Good job.
Nope.
Hey guys, so I'm ready because we're gonna go to the pool and then come back, eat lunch, and then like chill and stuff, and then go back or go to the beach. And Jax is right there watching the show. Say hi, Jax.
Hi.
He's really into it. And so I have this French braid. I'll try to show it. See how that works. I have no idea, guys. Can you see it?
Here. There you go. Yeah.
Okay. So now for my outfit, I just put it on top of my swimsuit. Actually, I'll show it in the mirror. So basically, I'm wearing this black t-shirt from Tilly's, and then this these cute shorts from Target, and then some boots. And that's pretty much it. So yeah. Also, I put on like a little bit of makeup. I just put on like concealer, bronzer, and highlighter, and because if I'm going to the pool and beach, I don't want mascara dripping down my face. So we just arrived at the pool, and I have this bathing suit from Target. I'm trying to show it, it's like kind of weird. And then we have like this hot tub at the pool, and I'm super excited because it's pretty like hot outside, so it's gonna feel really good. I wanna feel the pool. So I kind of look like a mess, but we just finished doing the pool. Well, my sisters are still in there, but me and my mom are going to Ross because it's near our hotel, and I need some sunglasses because I have some, but first of all, I can't find them. Second of all, they just like fall off my face. They don't really fit me. And then I'm also gonna try to find a bikini because I don't have that much. I just have one, which I'm wearing right now, but my bottoms have a big hole in them. So I'm gonna try to find something. Hey guys, so we're in Ross, and I picked up a few things. We're still gonna look at the sunglasses, but sadly there were no really swimsuits. There was a few, but not really good and not really my size. So there's a Marshalls next door, so we're gonna try to go to that and see if there's anything. So hopefully we can find stuff there. Hey guys, so much for going to Ross for sunglasses and bathing suits. There was like nothing. There was a few bikinis. None of them really fit. None of them were really cute. And then there were really any sunglasses, and they didn't even fit me. So that was a fail. So now we're going into Marshalls. Hey guys, so I'm deciding on sunglasses. By the way, we're Marshalls. And so this is choice number 1. They look a little flavored with the tag. But that's choice number 1. And then number 2, I really like these because they're kind of like unique and different. I'm like having trouble opening it while holding the camera. And then there's these ones, which I think are pretty cool. Oh, wait a second. This pair is like crooked. And then the third choice are these, which, yeah. Also, I really like these ones, but they're like too big, like they fall down. Okay, so I decided on a pair, but it's gonna be a surprise till I show you guys like everything I got. So thankfully I got everything I wanted at Marshalls. I said that weird, like Marshalls.
Marshalls.
Yeah, Marshalls. And now we're going to the beach. We're gonna stop by the hotel probably because I need to change to my new swimsuit. And yeah, I'll show you guys what I got later.
Family.
Yeah, and pick up the rest of our family. Hey guys, so it is like 5:25 and we're heading to Huntington Beach. I think I said that right. And if you couldn't tell, I chose these sunglasses, which was choice number 1, I believe. And I really like them, and they're a really good fit, so I'm happy with them. And I'll show you guys my suit that I got when I get to the beach and like get my clothes off and stuff. Hey guys, so we are at the beach, and I'm super excited because I think I said this earlier. We've only ever been to Oregon beaches, which are like wet and cold, but this is gonna be like nice and hot, and I'm just like really excited. Earlier, we've only ever been to Oregon beaches.
What do you guys think?
Hey guys, so we are at the beach and we've been playing for a while, but it's getting kind of cold and stuff, and I think we're gonna leave here soon and eat dinner and stuff like that. But the sunset right now is so pretty and it's been super duper fun. Look at how pretty that is.
A bunch of them do.
Okay, so we're at Trader Joe's and we might get something, but we might just end up like going to Wendy's or something. We're not really sure, but we're just checking things out. Hey guys, so we're back at the hotel, and at Trader Joe's we basically just got like snacks and stuff, but I got a wrap from Wendy's and just like fries and a Frosty, and she got like a kids meal, and yeah, we're just gonna chill for a little bit, like shower and stuff, probably watch TV. Yeah, pretty much it. Hey guys, so I just took a shower and end the vlog right here, so hope you guys enjoyed today's beach adventures. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please give this a big thumbs up. And yeah, peace.